Hello, every home buyer and homemaker. Welcome to Rohan Ekam at the heart of Balewadi, just minutes away from the Balewadi High Streets. मेरा नाम आयुष है and let me be your guide as we take a tour of the 3 BHK over here at Rohan Ekam. आप नोटिस करेंगे much like every other Rohan project, Rohan Ekam is also designed on the plus homes concept. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है आपके हर एक घर, हर एक रूम के अंदर P यानी कि आपको मिलेगा परफेक्ट वेंटिलेशन, L यानी लाइवली लाइट, U यानी अटमोस्ट प्रिवेसी और S यानी कि स्मार्ट स्पेस यूटिलाइजेशन. आप नोटिस करेंगे the design of the building gives you 2 ground floors, making it really accessible from every floor. As I'm telling you about Rohan Ekam, it is spread over 13 acres of land. At Rohan Ekam, there are very few common walls between the apartments, thus ensuring privacy. Also, the gaps between the apartments for Venturi effect create wind tunnels. This adds to the ventilation of the project and homes. Adding to that, most apartments are open from all 4 sides. There is ample light, air and also visual connectivity with the outside and the sky, even if one is in the high rise. Without wasting any more time, let us take the tour of the 3 BHK at Rohan Ekam. You will notice that this has great ventilation, it has lively light and of course when you enter your home, this space acts as a transition. आप जैसे ही घर में enter करेंगे, you will be greeted by the broad wooden frames of the door, which gives it grandness. Also, your door is well laminated, giving it a smooth and luxurious finish. Not only that, for your security, there's a digital lock and a video door phone. अब जैसे ही हम फॉयर की तरफ जाते हैं, you'll be greeted by freshness and positivity. एक openness का एहसास होता है owing to the half height wall. अच्छा, ये half height wall का एक और फंक्शन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके घर के अंदर डिलीवरी बॉयज या कोई आउटसाइडर आपके दरवाजे तक आया हुआ है, तो उनका व्यू रिस्ट्रिक्टेड रहेगा to your living area, giving you the utmost privacy. Now, shoes have become such an important part of a person's lifestyle. तो आपके शूज को अच्छे से स्टोर करने के लिए there is a very well designed niche and you can also use it as extra storage. आप नोटिस करेंगे that the marble extend to the living room, यानी कि आपका foyer becomes the extension of your living room. As we move inside the living room, you will notice that it is rectangular in shape. यानी आपके जो furniture designs हैं, वो comfortable sitting के लिए perfect रहेंगे. Also, the sitting arrangement, the C-type sofa arrangement is so that your TV viewing experience will not be compromised, as due to this additional space, there is no crossover circulation happening. Your living room comes with mobile charging points right next to the sofa. Not only that, you'll get a TV unit point and an AC point as well. The TV is placed on the perpendicular wall to the balcony. यानी कि आपके टेलीविजन पर ग्लेयर बहुत कम आएगा या बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा, making your TV viewing experience परफेक्ट. यानी कि अगर आप फैमिली के साथ में चिल कर रहे हैं या फिर आपने दोस्तों को बुलाया हुआ है, यू कैन एंजॉय मूवीज, यू कैन एंजॉय क्रिकेट मैचेस एंड व्हाट नॉट. ये जो रूम है, इट इज वेल लिट, इट हैज ग्रेट फ्रेशनेस अबाउट इट owing to the balcony. There's a unique thing about him. That is the L-shaped angular doors, which is unique to Rohan Ekam. You will notice that your balcony is not only connected to your living room, but your dining areas also. No overlooking windows gives this space utmost privacy. Not only that, the recessed balcony is giving you this feeling of privacy. यानी आप इस zone को अपना private relaxation zone भी बना सकते हैं. You can enjoy a good cup of coffee or tea with your special someone right here in the balcony. Also, it is going to give you great views of the outdoor owing to the double toughened glass and the grill, which is not only safe for senior citizens but for children as well. Now, as we move inside, let me show you the dining room. A great aspect of this dining room is that it is open. It is also very well connected to the kitchen. यानी अगर you're having parties and friends over, तो यहाँ पर you can have great conversations over a meal, which is freshly prepared from the kitchen and served to you right away. When we look towards the kitchen, you will see that there's a breakfast table that can be installed over here. Yani, if you want to enjoy your breakfast early in the morning, that is pretty much a possibility. As I enter into this very spacious kitchen, आप देखेंगे that the L-shaped platform over here with a stainless steel sink gives it a very premium quality, and there's a lot of space. यानी कि आपके ड्राई और वेट काम एक ही साथ में हो सकते हैं साइमल्टेनियसली. इस किचन के अंदर दो लोग बड़े आराम से काम कर सकते हैं. नॉट ओनली दैट, इंडियन खाने के अंदर मसाला और तड़का डलता ही है. एंड टू सेव योर वॉल्स फ्रॉम फ्यूम्स एंड स्टेन्स, देयर आर 2 feet tall dado tiles provided. To clean this platform is also very simple owing to the edge granite design over here. There's ample of storage for your modular designed trolleys in your kitchen. साथ ही साथ आपके किचन में आपको water purifier points मिलेंगे, आपको exhaust fan point मिलेगा. Not only that, you're going to get a point for your ductless wall mounted chimney, and every kitchen comes with your solar water present over here. यानी अगर आप अपने greasy utensils साफ करना चाहते हैं गर्म पानी से, तो उसकी सुविधा भी है. Now let us enter the utility area. As I enter the utility area, you will see that this is the perfect space utilization. इसको आपके comfort के लिए ही बनाया गया है. You will get not only inlet and outlet points over here, but there are 2 separate taps given, one for your washing machine, the other for your dishwasher, and a separate stainless steel sink is given over here ताकि आपका kitchen और ये utility area clutter free रहे. Now let me take you to the common wash basin. Your common wash basin over here is very well connected to your dining area. यानी if you've just finished a meal, आपने breakfast, lunch या dinner किया है, and you want to come over here, wash your hands, get fresh, that's pretty much very simple. Now as we enter the common washroom, आप notice करेंगे that the 7 feet height of the dado tiles make them very easy to clean. Not only that, protects your wall from all the moisture that happens inside the washroom. You will see that there's a false ceiling which hides all of your plumbing and cables, giving it a very neat, clean and premium look. Your cupboard and your flush is concealed, making it easy to clean your floor tiles. And when I talk about the floor tiles, these are anti-skid tiles, adding to the comfort of use. Now let me take you towards the common bedroom. This space is highly customizable, यानी आप इस जगह पे काफी ज़्यादा personalization कर सकते हैं. For example, you can have a glass wall over here. Convert this as your office space. Convert this as your yoga studio, or you can convert this into your leisure lounge, जहाँ पे आप आराम से बैठ के टेलीविजन एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, मूवीज एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, और हैव ग्रेट कन्वर्सेशंस. नाउ you will notice that AC and TV unit points are given over here. साथ ही साथ the full length window gives this space great ventilation and great light. Let's move towards bedroom number 2. The shape of this bedroom is rectangular in design, यानी आप अपने furnishings को comfortably यहाँ पे रख सकते हैं. Not only that, this comes with an attached washroom and attached balcony. So if you want to enjoy great times with your special someone, you can do that. You can enjoy your morning tea, your evening coffee right over here in the balcony. You'll notice that there is ample of space for movement in your bedroom too. साथ ही साथ you get two-way switches and every bedroom comes with your TV unit point and your AC point. There's also ample of space for your wardrobe. अब बात करते हैं about the attached washroom. You'll notice that a tile drop segregates the wet and dry areas, and the dado tiles up to 7 feet height make maintenance easy. It is completed with a concealed false ceiling, जिसकी वजह से आपके plumbing और wires छिप जाएंगे. It will hide that, giving your washroom a very premium and luxurious look. Not only that, branded CP and sanitary fittings use करे गए and smart storage space. Also, ये washroom किसी internal shaft में नहीं खुलता है, so it guarantees that you'll have fresh air movement and it avoids bad smell and odor that one usually experiences in enclosed shaft. Now, let me take you to bedroom number 3. The two bedrooms are located at the far end of the home. यहाँ पे एक passage बनता है, which is actually a very smart utilization of space. Not only that, all of your tile finishes and your civil finishes are neutral in color. यानी आपके घर का interior जो है ना, वो evergreen रहेगा. आप देखेंगे कि ये bedroom बहुत ही strategically located है. जी हाँ, ये आपके entry और exit के बहुत पास है. Not only that, you get this additional lobby space over here, जहाँ से इस room की privacy maintained रहती है. The wooden flooring adds a premium look and feel to this entire space. Not only that, there is ample of space due to its rectangular design for all of your furnishing needs. आप देखेंगे कि the movement across the bedroom is very easy. Also, it is always well lit and ventilated owing to the full height windows present over here. ऊपर वाला जो part है, it's openable, और नीचे वाला is a toughened glass for additional safety and security. You can also put a very functional wardrobe over here. Your bedroom comes with two-way switches and also power points for your AC and television unit. Before we talk about the attached washroom over here, let me tell you that जैसे मैंने starting में कहा था about this bedroom, that it is very strategically placed. यानी ये entry और exit के पास में, तो आप इस bedroom की utilization अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हैं. यानी कि आप इसको guest bedroom बना सकते हैं, आप इसको अपने elderly parents के लिए भी ये room बना सकते हैं. यानी कि your elderly parents don't have to traverse the entire length of your home if they want to access the entry and exit points, making it easier for them to do so. So multiple utilities of this bedroom, and one more utility is your attached washroom. This layout volumetrically feels much larger and is a great option for this bedroom in your home. It has segregated dry and wet areas, ensuring that you step into the dry area first. The branded CP fittings, dado tiles, concealed plumbing, false ceiling, perfectly aligned tiles lend this washroom a luxurious experience. This washroom also doesn't open into an internal shaft. This ensures that fresh air movement is there all the times. The abundant natural light and ventilation makes this washroom a delight to use. It's time for the closing remarks, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank you for being a part of this guided tour with me of the 3 BHK at Rohan Ekam. आपने notice किया होगा, much like all other Rohan projects, ये घर भी प्लस होम्स कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ में डिजाइन किया गया है. यानी यू हैव परफेक्ट वेंटिलेशन, लाइवली लाइट, अटमोस्ट प्रिवेसी एंड हर एक स्पेस का स्मार्ट स्पेस यूटिलाइजेशन किया हुआ है. आई थिंक दैट दिस 3 BHK इज ओनली गोइंग टू बी एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द लवली फैमिली यू हैव. आई एम आयुष. Thank you so much for being a part of this video and this tour.